My name is Matthew Jackson. I'm manager of product development here at Hendrick Auto Guard and NationsGuard, and I'm part of the team that helps build programs for our dealer partners. Something that really sets us apart at Auto Guard and NationsGuard, and you'll hear this a lot, but it's our people. The people that we have bring a different level of experience and industry knowledge that other administrators just don't have the fortune of having. We have people on our team at the home office who have true dealership experience, have spent time in the store, have spent time on the service lane, and that's not something that is just with our field personnel. We have accountants, we have claims payment processors, we have claims adjusters, and even myself in product development have spent time in the store. And that's something that's really unique to us and makes us really special because we have that understanding and that dealer-centric mindset that a lot of other administrators don't have. It's one of my favorite parts of being at Auto Guard and NationsGuard is that we have a new and innovative perspective at looking at things. And that's something that sets us aside because we have that background knowledge and that expertise, and we understand what the dealerships go through. We understand what the day-to-day looks like at the dealerships because we've all lived it. And us having lived that and being a part of that every single day is value that you can take from us.